Welcome to today's BEC podcast. Our theme is what it means to follow Jesus, to know Jesus, to love Jesus, and to serve Jesus. We'll be hearing simple reflections from our members. Let's begin with to know Jesus.
For me, to know Jesus means taking time each day to pray and listen. The more I know Him, the more I understand His plans for me.
Ako naman, knowing Jesus means recognizing His presence in my daily life, sa family, friends, and even in challenges. Mas nakikilala ko siya sa bawat experience.
To love Jesus is choosing Him even when it's hard. It's trying to live with patience, kindness, and honesty, kahit minsan nakakainis or nakakapagod.
For me, loving Jesus is obeying Him, not out of fear but out of trust. When I follow His teachings, I feel more at peace.
To serve Jesus means serving others, simpleng tulong tulad ng ginawa natin sa mga damit ng farmer, pakikinig, or showing compassion. Lahat yun ay paraan para maglingkod sa Kanya.
I serve Jesus by using my talent, whether it's singing, organizing, or helping the community. Lahat ng meron ako, offering ko sa Kanya. Tulad ko, I'm a part of the dance community dito sa Letran. Ginawa ko to para kay Lord, hindi lang para sa school natin.
Following Jesus is a journey of knowing Him, loving Him, and serving Him. These reflections inspire you to define your own relationship with Jesus. Thank you for joining our BEC podcast. God bless.